filime mu 1850 ubwo abantu muri California bari abakene bashishukiskanyaga nuko baje kugira gutatu baza kuvuga ati reka dushinge cyangwa dushinge ubumwe bwahita ya mbere yari 30 ya 30 ndetse wari under proclamation of the governor and historical vote hold the key to their fate. Bo bari bizeye gusa mu mateka birahinduka. Yabasezeranyije kwishyira bakizana yarabibahaye cyangwa ocha tukaturore. Niko dutangiye mu 1850 batubwira ujya baze kushyiramo ati bari leta ikomeye cyane ya 30 ndetse bakazashiraho umuntu ukomeye wo kuzabarinda kuzabafasha kubashyiraho amabwiriza amategeko zagenderwaho akabasezeranyiriza kuzabaha kwishyira kizana byarakunze cyangwa
What are you doing?
Urakora ibiki?
5 rings, padre.
Yari ingoma yari inzogera gatanu yagomba kuvugwa.
There's trouble.
Hari ikibazo.
If I know Zoro, he's already here.
Tugomba gushakira Zoro kandi Zoro yahageze. Nzogera nihamagara wo bita Zoro yahageze. Yo hari ikibazo uhamagara wo bitaga Zoro niwo bagwizobe. Turage bari mu bibazo. Vote na amatora y'uyu munsi barabisasamo ibibazo. Bagomba gwa batureka turore Zoro ni muntu nyabakikuba turore. Kana no kiyo ndarya. Zoro ngo are hari. Mambu. Ya, turore batoye Zoro ninde nguwo arinjira. Nanjye muvivure ko naje. So, mwabonye we ryandika Z, nyuguti ya Z, yakari Zoro, Z. Turage ni benshi mgamye kari filime ya kera, ariko abarenzi sizi movie.
Supposed to be in school.
Bakaba bari ku ishuri.
Wait, Zoro comes.
Umva ntabwo nakajya ku ishuri Zoro kandi agiye kuza.
How's that sound?
Hano ntabwo bamuvutse ibibazo ntabwo bakaranga. Ya, kana gatoka ko ari ku ishuri, ariko yaje kureba Zoro. Zoro yari umuntu utoroshye na gato.
A landslide in favor of statehood.
Let's hope the rest of California.
Ati munsi nagatangaza yishura guruka umva biba muri California bisanzwe.
Be careful. Our future is in your hands.
Umva witonde wa mugabo we. Ibyo hazaza hari mu biganza by'ibyo hazaza hacu ari mu biganza byawe ubwo ngo ugifashe na hazaza.
It's a better peaceful.
Ugira ikibazo amahoro arahari. Bakiraho. Uwari utwaye briefcase ikomeye. Ngo baramumena. Aramubwira ati n'umupolisi kandi government we arabateye. Karaka box karimo ibiki. Ngo bamubwira ati tonda hazaza harimo aho. Police barindaga abaturage katurore. Rabaje.
Latest model in heavy artillery. The Henry Repeater. God didn't hurl lightning, he'd surely carry one of these.
State your business, man.
Ndavugisha ukuri mu mezi yo mufite amune box itabyo ngena mu biteho. Itakubyaye we.
I'm sorry, you're too late. The post
wakerewe rero. Ikirere cyarangiye.
Seem equitable? I have rights too.
Nanye mfite uburenganzira bwo kuryo nakora.
Enough. Hand me that box.
Mumereze box.
My way.
Ni komereze.
You'd only force the people to vote again.
Well, you remember.
Hano harimo abantu barenga 40 babihumbi 40 batoye nago batwara iyo vote. Muyimereze nona cyangwa mbamare.
Come to deliver the Lord's work against this vote.
Mabwiriza ayo matora yanyu ntago yemewe. Mugabagira gutya kumbira yaje yiteguye. Amatora barayiba umugaragaro we. Amatora barayiba. Bari bafashwe mbushi. Bita mbushi ntacyo barenzaho. Dawuru yishiramo.
Time to do the Lord's work.
Reka none nkwereka kurya akazi kakucirwa ku mategeko gakorwa. Tira! Tarara sofa umugabo. Tarasa priest. Abagiteye ingofero kumbi. Zoro kanati Zoro yari yaje. Baramurasa uko amanuka. Muvire mu nzira mw'abaturage mwe kana Topito biturugabo karosha urugabo kakoresha Topito cyara babubwiye urwana nta bitinda wari icyo ashaka ya box ni yashaka yanga iyo box kunitwawe urayitwaye iyo box irimo amatora y'abaturage bose baraha baramutse ayitwaye byaba ari ibibazo cyane yo kudekarara ibyo bashaka hano urumva bari ukubeshya baturori yaherera hehe akazoro dore zoro abaturage baramwizeraga bizereragamo makiro na miringiro yabo urore dore box biratwawe arayigarura cyangwa sinzi uredi cyamamare mu cyumba hiryo nino waka zoro Rakazoro yewe uri kimbere arabangutse arihuta bikaba bitanze imbere weka turakane bari ku mafarasi tanga imbere uyu Zoro cyakora arabizi nta papira imibare myinshi mu ntambara ze arangije avayo yora box niyo ashaka katura arangije acaho baramwomeka bori Zoro sirikare ni nyinshi kuri umwe katari kadafite na box bari kuri chance yo kugikwa katurore dore bari kurwanira ubiti gusa barimo barubaka Zori box aregezayo cyangwa Zoro yewe baracyaza tangije box ayinaga hariya tangije yikorera utuntu twe zibyo akora mota we batatu kuri umwe sinzi katurore niba ahantu bari isaba equilibrium ndetse no kutarwana isereri hano fata umugozi kugira ngo umugozi agende ukaturore tangije zamuka atyo fata ya box aho yari yaze zamuteye yewe Zoro barazo zirimo imibare myinshi ayiwe iragarura imbere yacyo kiyaba yasana kuramo maske kosa ikomeye cyabira binuza babifite amahwa ngo rwaguye mu birakira by'amahwa maske yanjye sasa umwitero uratakara wa maske ikibazo kumbi abari bari hano hari abagabo bari hano mbere ngo barabona Zoro baramubona mu maso dore ngo Zoro baramubona mu maso yatazi icyo harabamubonye babiri bangije sifuri farasi iri farasi yagendaho bwite izijwi rye umubarebye Avenger Thor agira inyundo ahamagara ikamwumvira n'uyagira ifarasi yahamagara akamwumvira urugabo ruragaruka yewe we do inshinge yewe gadatera rurebye cya uzagwa handi wowe
Over the hill to the governor's mansion.
hejuru y'umusozi
Over the hill to the governor's mansion.
genda hejuru y'umusozi ndetse ku nyubako ya government mansion ku nyubako ya leta ifarasi yanga kugenda kumva ifarasi kumurabura ngo barabakubonye bambye icyo ukora yaba kuyumvira iticaho
Work out your English.
uraza kumva impamvu utari kunyumva neza muri iyi minsi ifarasi yamuraburaga utinya ibiremwa bize ubwenge nk'amafarasi abaturage bari bishimye. Zoro nguyu agaruka. Abaturage baramukundaga, yarindwanye nziza ndetse akaba n'umugiraneza muri rusange. Yarwaniraga abaturage for free. Yari civil servant, yari umupagasi wa rubanda.
What happened?
Yagenze bite?
They were held up, Governor. I offer my help.
Wibukana abagabo babiri bamubonye. Zoro yabaye Zoro. Mutuze abashaka abayobozi b'igihugu.
Citizen San Mateo, today we have ordered to join the Union as a free state.
Ndetse uyu munsi twemeje kujya mu bihugu bikomeye ndetse kandi duhabwa kuba free state, leta yigenga.
In 3 months, every vote of every pueblo around California will be counted.
Ndetse uyu munsi kuvugana tumaze twatuma turekrama ndetse ubu ngubu California ibaye igihugu cyigenga.
We will finally call ourselves American.
Ndetse turifuza ko tutakirikenera ubufasha bwa Amerika ngo idukoronize tugire tuyerekereke ubona tubabigenga. California nuko yabonye ubwigenge. Aba barwane bita Zoro uwo. Zoro yakoze ibyo akora, amaze gutabara abaturage rubanda arigendera. Abakuru bishimye. Abarebye ati koko. Anje ni farasi baza hano. Umuntu wagira hataha. Wewe. Akira. We, bize bitese.
Saddle is getting a little too tight, amigo.
Nongera kumwe gutyo inshuti ndakuzirika kandi ntabwo nshaka kuzirika. Ntabwo irwaga izirika yibwiraga ikamwumva. Ndangije za hano. Ngira hano hari Nyiramwiza. Kobwa mwiza cyane. Yasanze yateguye n'amabuji. Bararebanye. Mbi. Ni madamu we ngabo. Madamu we. Yambaye n'impeta.
Tell me one.
Icyo ushaka cyose.
You're free.
Ubu rwose ndi uwawe ndi free mfite umwanya. Okay. Tashize ingahe?
To statehood.
To us.
Kumane ku bwacu. Ngabo.
I wish I was there today.
Nakifuje uyu munsi rwose wahagumye. Byiza.
I cannot believe it.
Ntabwo nabyizera ngabo.
We have our lives back.
Harenze ko ubuzima bwagaruka.
Looking into a trip to Spain. I cannot imagine how it has changed.
Ntabwo nakwibaza natwitekereza ukuntu ibintu byaje guhinduka.
It's as if the whole world has moved onto one tiny island.
Elena, I've been thinking.
Never.
Ibaze uburyo isi yose yamaze kutwemerera ndetse ko natwe twishe tukigenga igihugu cyacu.
Stayed for another 3 months.
Ariko wibuka ko
Yes.
turi igihugu ubu ngubu bisa nkaho bigiye gufata amezi 3 bakibireba gusa badoye ku byigenge bw'amezi 3 bishobora guhinduka.
Look,
Reba.
know what you're thinking, but Elena.
Ibyo uri gutekereza Elena.
Listen.
Elena nyumva.
Here is quitting. We're this far apart.
Elena nyumva. Ndogara imena. Ntabwo nabyizera ko ushaka gusubira mu ntambara.
Believe I fell for it.
Genda yifuza ko tugomba kuba free 100%.
Gullible wife believes him. How could I be so stupid?
Elena, you're up.
Umugore nanjye bundi nakwizera gutyo ngo abikigoryo. Elena wikumva wivuga gutyo.
You made a promise.
Waransezeranyije
He
yego.
made a promise.
I know.
You were
That
missing
is-
your son's entire life.
No.
Wahisha uriwe ndetse misha umwana wawe ubuzima bwawe bwose ndetse ntacyakuzeho.
Really?
Umuhungu wawe.
What is his teacher's name?
Niki wigisha umwana ubu?
Mr. Father. King Jing.
Na papa we
Hoofer?
ndifuza ko azaba Alpha.
Oh, all right. So I have
Sawa.
memory. Where's that proof?
That you do not know your own son.
Mfite ikimenyetso nikihe? Nta kintu ukorera umwana wawe bisa nkaho
Know you.
nta gakuzi.
What have me do?
Shaka nkora iki?
Rest of my life as a wealthy don? Order servants around all day?
That
None
would
ni gute
think
ngaragaza ubuzima bwanjye bwose ubwo ndi we abaturage nzabonye kwagana kubatabara gute banzi bose.
People still need Zorro.
no.
Abaturage bacyakeneye Zoro ya.
Need Zorro.
Nanjye nkeneye Zoro.
The eyes and tell me that is not true.
ibyo ntabwo ari ukuri. Ibyo kuba uri Zoro bubihagaritse ubanze uze mu muryango turagukeneye natwe. Ibintu umudamu bafitanye n'umwana gusa yishe umwana we ko papa ari we Zoro.
Remember what you said.
Wibuke ibyo wambwiye.
He was born.
Amaze kuvuka ubwo yavukaga. Uzahita ubihagarika.
Life.
Ube mu buzima busanzwe.
Lucky you are.
None dore ubuzima bwakuryohanye bwo kuba umusitari.
Life. That your enemies have not discovered who we are.
Abanzi bawe ntabwo bazigera bavumbura abo turi bo.
Years. You have
Imyaka irahise ari myinshi.
to give California its freedom.
California irinze uyihaye ubwigenge, uyihaye kwishyira ikizana. Rero ngwino uze mu muryango ibyo kuba Zoro ubihagarike. Unyiteho n'umugore wawe ndetse n'umwana wawe umuhungu akumenye. Dore nta kuzo byicwa nawe wari se Zoro ko papa wari we Zoro. Aho ruri busy tabara.
They are calling you.
It's who I am, Helena.
Elena uyu niwe ndi. Nduyu. Ndamara byumva. Ndi Zoro.
What happened to the man I married?
What happened to the woman who used to fight by my side?
She had a son.
So, he'll grow up to be a nice leader
Ese uyu niwe mugore nashyingiranywe nawe umva amagambo ndiyo nge mugore nashyingiranywe nawe cyangwa
who has no idea where he came from and doesn't care about anyone but himself. Beautiful.
ati uri umudamu mwiza sinakwifuza ko mbona n'undi wari kujyana ati mugore kuvuga ati niba udashaka guhinduka nawe ngomba kugenda ngashaka undi mugabo. Undebere. Yabo.
Maybe I'll just take my suitcase.
Reka tubireke byiduteranya.
I hope you and Tanada were very happy together.
Reka nizere yuko nge nawe turi kumwe ariko twakwishima.
I love you.
Ndagukunda sheri. Yabo. Arakana. Rikakana kabo. Yacyaro kumshiguza. Napfuye. Araka. Papa vayo. Sasa papa ni nk'umwana like father like son. Umwana nishoro aracomoka akagenda. Dada umwana araryamye. Ndazi ko nibwo kakinjira. Hey. Bazi umwana avuye yagiye. Iryo joro arafashe ifarasa arerekera. Urugo rwe ruri ararureba. Damu nguyu nawe. Arangije. Arigendera. Damafunga idirishya.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with H.
Where wasn't Papa
Uburetsi bwanjye aricyo nanetse natangiriye.
Early on his.
Ku itangiriro barakwereka Elena madamu wa Zoro arimo agenda aganira n'agahungu ke.
He does.
Yakoresha itopito twarakabonye n'agahanga. Na papa wako.
Well, he is a don, and he meets with other dons, and they discuss land and investments, and
Yari mu byago kandi ibyago nibyo akunda.
with friends counting money?
Akunda kurwana atabara abaturage. Ese kimwe atabikora akorera inyungu amafaranga. Oya ntago akavuze gutyo.
okay, let me think.
Atekereza kwita ku bandi.
All right.
Muri rusange abatekanye bumva ko n'abatekanye.
I love you.
Ndagukunda mungu wanjye. Shaho. Yeah. Elena, madamu wa Zoro, yari umudamu mwiza kujya gutya. Aho yabonye hirya hariya. Bimureba. Mwibukara babonye Zoro. Bamubona isura. Abagabo batangiye kumwitegereza. Yarabarebye nabo. Kosa abagabo. Uganda. Yariza zahamu. Kigabo birakurikira ibi niki. Abagabo barakurikira. Azano yihuta na baramwomeka. Hindukira. Abagabo bamuriho ndapfuye. Yeah. Abagabo baza turamubona. Hano baramubura. Uhindukira. Wewe. Iti. Wewe. Mudamu madamu we ni nk'umugabo dore wasoro nawe ni tiyo barimushyiraho.
Who are you?
Bande.
The real question, Senora de la Vega, is who are you?
Ikibazo cya mbere ahubwo twakubaza worinde.
Devoted wife of a wealthy don, or an independent woman held captive by her husband's secrets?
Dufata uyu mugore turatumenye neza amabanga y'uriya mugabo. Barwaniye ubwishyira kwizana. Ni iki mushaka?
Your help.
Ubufasha. Abo nibo babiri babonye zoho. Uhe bufasha.
I tell you, De La Vega, women say they want one thing, but what they really want is everything else.
Ibiranga nta wamenya ko ari indwanyi irenze itabara umuki.
Isn't it possible our wives marry us because they want to spend some time with their husbands?
Ese koko uyu mugabo ashatse umugore bivuga ko igihe cyose bagomba kukimarana n'uwo mugore nta kanya yabona ko kugira ibishinga ye bw'itakora.
Forgot to spend my days pruning in a tub of naked men?
Ndaje kuganira n'abandi bagabo aganire nabo agiye ibitekerezo bakuramo.
No.
Guys, nyina garuko mbyumva rero.
To beg Elena's forgiveness.
Ugeze ngiye gusaba madamu wanjye Elena imbabazi.
Might one of you be Don Alejandro de la Vega?
Ikirimi kiwabo.
Phineas Gendler, attorney at law. I'm here on behalf of your wife.
Ndahagaha mu gice cy'umugore wawe.
If you should have any questions, my address is on the letterhead.
Ibibazo bindi wakenera ndabizi byose amerekezo ari muri aho ngaho muri ako gapapuro ubwo waza gusobanura muri iyo envelope muri iyo bahasha. Rore niwe yubashirimo ibiki. Yarasomye arasoma batubwira arayita divorce tayari amezi atatu ashize barakwereka umugore yase divorce ashize amezi atatu.
I'm sorry, senor, but you told me to make sure you didn't sleep past 2 today.
Nyako mbabarire bambwiye yuko udasinzira cyane uyu munsi.
Wednesday.
Umunsi ni kuwa kane. Kuwa kane. Ni kuwa gatatu ibuka ko yababusa.
Happened to my clothes.
Urama imyanya byageze.
I saw you wouldn't catch pneumonia.
Imyenda yawe rumva yafuzwe imeze neza.
After you came back from the cantina, you went for a spin.
Hari nyuma yo kuva muri kantine gufata icyo gufata urajya koga.
Si, senor.
Yakubaha nuko bipanze amabwiriza nuko ameze.
Have a fountain.
Kandi ugire Valentine nziza.
I see.
Ndabyumva.
Well, thank you, Lupe.
Ndagushimiye Lupi.
You just can turn around.
Ariko ndashaka uhindukire gato mbanze ngiye uko nikorera. Kiraho. Waje.
I'll see you a confession, my child.
Ndabona kushaka kwicuza ibyaha byawe mwana wanjye.
Don't look at me like that. I know what you're going to say.
Uze kundeba nyuma cyo gukora.
Lift your spirits, not to dampen them.
Padiri Senyeri bagwita Senyeri nawe.
Alejandro, you're being a pig-headed fool. Why don't you just go to Elena and tell her you were wrong?
She's the one who wanted me to leave alive.
Ese uyu tabwire Elena iko byo wakoze ko amakosa yabaye ibyabaye amakosa go ibyo warwamisha. Ntago yabyizera mureke.
I haven't had to ring that bell in 3 months. You should be rejoicing.
I am rejoicing.
Ameza tutarashize umeze gutyo umva njye mahitamo.
In this room forever. There's a new vineyard opening up tonight and you're coming to the party with me.
Ntago uzaguma gutya muri icyo muteka ryose muri ijoro wari kujyana mu kirori nawe. Ntabyi kwijyana ariko.
Confession, because I'll never forgive you.
Ntago ibyo bizaguhira ariko. We biruta mwihorere.
Hell yes.
Sawa.
Now, would anyone else like to interrupt my lecture by asking to go to the bathroom?
Hari undi uri bumbangire nintangira kwigisha ko agiye kujya mu bwiherero. Oya.
Who can tell me what this word means?
Ninde wambwirira ijambo statute icyo bivuga?
Joaquin.
Sawa kana gato.
Joaquin de la Vega.
Come on. Bana professor arakanga.
Perhaps you can tell the statehood means to you.
Ndabaza ngo statehood bivuga iki nsobanurira.
No more exploitation of the peasants by the rich, who oppress us with a flaming bucket of injustice.
Mwana n'umuhanga nta kwitegera nta kuba witeze ko uzafashwa nabo bakire cyane ugomba kwirwanira ndetse ukarwana umuryango wawe ukagira.
Fit into your little theory.
Ukarwana abusumbane.
In your butt.
kana nagahanganira umwana wa Zoro.
Silencio!
Ceceke mwese. Mano.
I'll give you something to laugh about.
Urambwira icyo uri guseka. Ndakubita umwana wawe murashe. Umwana wa Zoro ari hano urakubita umwana ute?
Come here.
Bino hano.
Demonio! No?
Urambwira. Avayo. Kubita umwana arabyanga. Reka. Umwana wa Zoro. Iye. Zana kara. Bani zana. Ziraseka. Ayiwe. Irimira. Iti. Yewe. Rakado umwana we. Zoro. Zoro muto we iki? Rate ndakubisha.
Lord, alcance!
Nago nakwemera rwose byo nago nabyuba. Mwana mwidirisha. Yewe. Oya manuki. Asi. Yabarero ba yego rata yego Zoro muto. Nawe wazi ko ari mwana wa Zoro. Nawe ntabwo ari ko papa ari Zoro. Ubutwari buvuka mu miryango. Bye sasa profe bye. Yewe darakana. Zoro muto guhindukira kumbi.
Joaquin?
Okay, kagoryi.
Papi?
Papa. Tashi zingahe?
You're lucky Father Quintero didn't throw you out for good.
Urabona ibyo wakoze ari byiza byo kujya guserana mwarimu muri class abanyeshuri bose bareba.
Keep picking fights.
Ntukagire urwana sinakubujije.
Sometimes you have to fight.
Papa rimwe rimwe umuntu abakeneye kuba bagomba kurwana iyo byamurenze. Ninde warwanaga nawe? Yasaba imbabazi Diregite Principal.
If Zoro were here, he'll tell you fighting isn't always the answer.
Buri gihe abari hano buri kutangije imirwano nta gisubizo kiba gihari.
Better than you think.
Urashobora batekerezaga iki? Oya papa. Yaragiye gukubitisha umwana hagati batangije imirwano niwe wayitangije.
Hey, I am your father, little man. Don't talk to me like that.
Umva ni papa we nawe ukwiye kujya gutyo.
I wouldn't do for you or your mother. You understand?
Ngora byinshi kandi nawe ndashaka kujya ukora byinshi byiza ukorera mama wawe nanjye cyangwa nawe nkorera mama wawe na wowe na mama wawe. Urabyumva?
Guillermo. Hey.
Qué gusto verlo por aquí. Igual. Ni cyo bavuga ikirimi.
Hello.
Wow. Oh, look at little Jose.
Naona mwana mese neza.
As ugly as his mother.
Oh. Look at Joaquin. We're growing up so fast.
Ukuntu mungu wakuze vuba.
Keeps up. We'll be able to pay you back sooner than we thought.
I told you, compadre, it was to celebrate your son's birth.
Tugomba guselebra tukishimira ko mungu wawe aribwo yakuze. Arimo nawe Imana wawe yavutse. Barukanga. Aka hano hari urimo arisubiza amamenyo.
100 for it. And for that, I'll take the deep rancho with the Lord's grace.
Uyu mugabo baramukomize Zoro yaramukomye.
Sell.
Buri ushaka byose gusugurishiriza hacu.
I might want to keep this woman on a shorter leash.
Ndashaka umereze uwo mugore wawe arashaka kubanza ngo. None se urumva atari kurengera mugabo we. Zoro yigeze hirya umwana.
Have we met before, sir?
Yakuba nigeze ngira ko nguvugisha.
I would remember a man with wooden teeth.
Bamugabo ndimo ndakwibuka buri kanya mnibuka amenyo yawe.
Just like a white man.
Nkaho umuntu umwe hari.
A crow little man, or is he gonna cluck?
Leave him out of it.
Ramudomo. Kana kugera kapra gafata.
Senor, as a gentleman, I am obliged to teach my son to turn the other.
Wa mugabo we. Umugabo wa kiramudoma nigisha umwangu wanjye. Akira abandi bashaka iki wa mugabo.
Respects the officer.
Officier ndizera ko tububaka namwe mutwubaha. Rero nukumvikana. Leta barayikontorora.
I'll be obliged to do the Lord's work.
Wa mugabo rero ntukomeze ibintu bikare kubituma uyu mugabo byivangamo. Kara babaye. Ka Zoro. Yebere. Zoro ari hano. Maze iminsi Zoro atagaragara. Damo yamuhaye divorce kubera ko yanze kuva mu buryo kuba Zoro. Ariko yaresa ngo arabivuyemo. None kugira gutya arimo arabona ibintu byarabaye ibindi. Turagezera cyarengana ari nyinshi. Katurore. Umuntu afata imyanzuro itari myiza na gatoya. Ugaruka ibukuru ari hayabereye ibirori bikomeye cyane.
10 minutes, then I'm going.
Iminota 10 gusa ndabagiye.
Effervescent and tenacious.
I thought you were forbidden.
Why ziraryoshye pe?
I need at least one vice to keep in touch with sinners.
Whatever. Who owns this vineyard anyway?
Ariko ndashaka kwibaza ubundi. Ninde buriya muntu yahoze ari ubundi?
Until he purchased it.
Adiri yari kuganira na Zoro.
You say? He's probably stealing his parlor or putting on makeup.
Or his perfume, perhaps.
Wariye se Hubs.
He invented it to avoid bathing.
wari winjiye byose ni ibyaje ariko twakonsomwa mwashana mu konsome ingagari.
You're De La Vega. What an honor. I've heard so much about you.
Really?
De La Vega. Sanga mu byukuri ari byinshi cyane mwumvaho.
Love to continue this conversation, but
Harinda ni komeza ikiganiro ariko mukanya. Ya. Ndacyubahira hano uvuga ngo umeze nka Zoro. Amashyi aratangwa.
He just met the most charming fella.
Now, who might that be?
Ese ni iki charming fella yakoze?
The man.
Bana muri ahangaha murakaza neza.
I still don't know why they call it a wine tasting. After 2 glasses you can't taste anything.
Reka nizere ko mwatestinze ibirahure birahanga rwose bimereye kumwerwa mizi nzoga.
This vineyard represents what I hope will become an industry that depends on the people for its success, involving them instead of exploiting them.
Ati ukumubona bimeze gutya kuba ndahanga ndetse ko dufite inyubako n'ibintu birahanga binyereka ko ndi independent bayo nishize nizanye ndetse kandi bikanyereka ko namwe ubwanyu muri mwebwe bimfasha kuba nakorana namwe neza kandi mukanyumva. Kandi ngifuza kuba nayobora abantu duhuje ndetse abari kitagina neza bakandabura.
A country blessed with limitless beauty.
Ndetse igihugu cyacu cyahawe umugisha ndetse n'imbibi narengwa.
God for the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Nora Elena De La Vega.
Dora Elena De La Vega avuga iki wabo? Amashyi numbaza avuze iki bisobanura iki kundi? Ndashaka kubereka afite umusheri mushya umukundi. Kumbi dore umugore wa Elena, umugore wande wa Zoro. Aho Sasa hejuru Samarikanga arabiza afite umugabo w'umurakare. Umunyabigwi Legend of Zoro niyo filme turora. Ye urakoze kujya kumusoma arabyanga muhitamo. Zoro ari hano arimo ararura. Urakoze. Babaho mu mabanga akomeye ndetse n'ukuvuga ngo babaho bahisha ubuzima bwabo. Zamuwazo na Elena na muntu afite umugabo n'umwana.
Well, I'm cooked. Come on, let's go.
Umva ngwino tugende ngwino.
I don't want to go.
Ndashaka kugenda.
So much fun.
Ariko ndabona ariko hano ari byinshi byo kwishimisha.
Madame Ball.
Madame Ball. Meze neza.
Thank you.
Murakoze.
Nice to meet you.
Ndakura namwe aro yagonze. Alejandro. Bite Elena.
De La Vega.
Aro Vega.
Count
bare.
Each other?
We shared a giggle at the buffet table.
Yeah, it seems that's not all we have shared. Eh?
Allow me to...
Sangwari bidasangirwa ariko. Nanjye nyemerera nibikira.
Elena has portrayed you as a man of impeccable character.
Oh, I am honored to be mentioned at all. Why I nearly forgot.
Nanjye nsanga ndi nyire iyo nyubako ku rundi ruhande. Sasa uyu mugabo ukomeye uyobeye hano ni umuvandimwe wa Zoro ndajya kuri cyuna rebe.
3 months ago.
Tutashize turatandukanye pe.
Thank you for
ushaka ndimo ushaka n'umuvandimwe.
Don't be
mugabo ushaka n'undi mugabo.
I'm just trying to know how the lovebirds met.
Hano rabarura. Harababonye Zoro bamusura.
Another time. We have many guests to greet.
Dufite abandi bashyitsi benshi bo gushuhuza tubare duha umwanya nanjye dufite cyo kwangiza.
Riley, you honor us with your presence.
May I present my wife, Mary?
Your speech was incredibly moving, Count. I'm glad you're not running for office against my husband.
There may not be much of a union left to join, Governor.
May I Colonel R.S. Beauregard of the 1st Alabama Infantry.
What brings you here, Colonel?
The threat of civil war, my dear. Once California joins the Union, the Confederate States will be outnumbered.
We
are manned. Shall we dance?
Of course.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Imperial Quadrille.
Dufite kora idasanzwe hano kuririmba n'umugu kuranga
Drink so much on an empty
wamwe cyane reka tuva tugende.
Well, lipstick, you're gonna act like my mother.
Eze gute kuba nagenda guri mbwe ngo mvanga tugende nago bishoboka. Raka yasinze. Ebere. Padiri ukurura muvanaho.
Say the word and I'll escort you home.
And leave your guest?
In a heartbeat. I care for you too much to subject you to an evening of forced smiles, Elena.
Elena, niba ari ikintu nitaho cyane mu buzima ni ukubona umuntu nkunda ameze neza.
Activate yourself. Since when do politics bore you?
Since when did you start caring what I think?
Ari kubyina agonga so wowe naribyinira.
If you wish, I'll have him escorted out.
Niba yifuza kubyinana n'ure kare.
For love of God, let's get out of this place.
Wasinze bitatuve hano hantu. Kare.
You must tell me how you met.
Years ago, in Spain.
Wambwira impamvu wakoze ibi ngibi.
Finishing school together.
Wow, nice. You were real nice.
Narakwiye ngo dufashanye. Njye nawe twarakundanye. Turabyarana ariko usanga utari kubyo uri kumbabaza. Baratandukanye ashize amezi 3 batandukanye.
Tell me, Count, what your title rank among noblemen is?
Nkaho umeze neza ufite amafaranga mpamvu utarambirwa kuba watwara umugore w'abandi ariko ntabwo namugutwaye wowe ubwawe yarakwanza ariyizira.
Oh, he's a delight. Rich, good
cyane rwose ufite uburenganzira ni umukire.
I can say that would make you leave.
Yeah, you can.
Mbana ko kakubwira uvanga ugende.
I would not want to ruin my dress.
Ntabwo ugomba kuyobora abo inzanye.
Life.
Is that supposed to make me jealous?
Does it?
Never.
Kuri ugufuha ntabwo ari ugufuha.
After Joaquin while her mother spends her nights out.
I have not been spending my nights out. I haven't even told Joaquin. Now I think you should go.
Siri mwenyewe ukora nawe ntacyo ushaka bashika vana ugende.
Milena, it was beneath you to marry a peasant like me in the first place.
Now I know you are.
You're narakwizeye.
So proud to see you take your rightful place on the arms of
Keep your
royalty.
voice down.
Well, congratulations,
Your
Highness.
Bega mujye nyiricyo kazi amutera urushyi. Ba. Kubita umugabo we batandukanye.
If you didn't know me better than that, then you never knew me at all.
Ntabwo wigeze umenya neza mbabaro udatuma nkora ibirenze ibi. Yararebye nta yindi sho afite.
No.
Ya nta kibazo yimfataho.
Thank you.
Wakoze.
For your hospitality.
Kubwo kwitwara neza kwanyu. For your hospitality. Akindi yakoze aje kwiyahuza inzoga. Ya frasiye. Frasi. Yereza. Iryo cupa. Ya. Irakamwe. Nayo nanjye ndasinze shano ukora mu byo mu mwuka wa bimeze. Turu mubi. Hasi. Yaje. Frasi rigendera.
Something stupid.
Nawe ugiye kumuswa. Zahimennye.
Count Armand with his fancy wine and the frou-frou accent.
Akindi yakora.
How could Elena choose a man like that?
Nigute Elena yatinyuka kunkora ibi.
Want me back so badly she will be whipping with desire. Nobody leaves my tequila warm, dangling in the wind.
Nuko ibyo wabo biyaga. Biyaga ntacyo wangira gukira aho ngaho. Uramuterura we. Rory. Rika kwabaye. Kureba hano.
Oh my God.
Ana yanjye. Mahirwe nawe ko yarari mu buvumo. Bindi. Byatinze bwarakeye. Nafungure bamfungure nabo bataba. Bamanagira abashimira.
How kind of you.
Uri muntu nyabaki.
I was trying to impress you.
Umuntu kwemba kugushimisha.
If you truly want to impress me,
niba mujye kushaka kugira icyo nshimishaho.
me over for dinner tonight.
ngo urangura icyo kurya kiri ijoro sibyo uranjyana he
Not dine at your hacienda.
waje umutegujye kuri Dennis restaurant
Please try and understand Armand. He's not
gerageza wumve uwo ndi we
just yet.
Of course.
umwana ndabizi ko ufite umwana bombi ikanga iki
Oh, this hat.
yega ingofero
King. Oh,
ndayikunda
Shall I go?
ndayikunda koko niba ukunda wayifata arayishyura
who needs another hat?
yari mama nizo yakundaga kwambara biba gutya
A pipe. See, like
pipe
smoke. I hope I do not repulse you with my unladylike habit.
No, I'm not concerned.
nizere yuko uwo taba abagabo bishwe n'amatabe ntabwo mbikunda
Evander.
Wait here, won't you?
See.
hari ikibazo simbaye nkuretseho gato nta kibazo arangije zanga hariho yabonye unamara icyanga
I do not smoke a pipe. I said that to get rid of him so I can get rid of you.
Well, I have to talk to you about last night.
ndashaka kuvugana nawe ibyabaye ijoro ryashize
No.
oya
After.
none ahangaha nta nyuma
Something in the forest.
What are you talking about?
Yes, what?
hari icyabaye mu ishyamba iki cyabaye mu ishyamba
An express.
habayeho guturika
No, in fact. Like nothing I have ever seen.
icyabaye ntabwo nigeze nkibona
Both safe.
As much as you had to drink last night, I'm
ijoro
sure.
ryashize banyweye ibiki uko ndi kuvuga ibintu byo guturika kandi twese twumva haturitse
Somehow it's all becoming clear.
hari rimwe na rimwe hari igihe uyu mugabo bisa nkaho ahita avugisha ukuri nagaca hirya hino
If you have any respect for the relationship you shared with Elena, let it die with dignity.
niba wubaha urukundo ndetse n'umubano wegeranye na Elena mureke abe ubuzima yifuza kubaho
I can assure you of that.
nakwereka ngera urukundo rwiza namukunda yego rata sheri
Time to go.
Elena?
uyu nguyu ni igihe cyanjye cyashize twarakundanye Elena
Can't always come here for peace of mind. I am obliged to give it to him. Perhaps we can settle this like gentlemen.
mugabo rero
You do play polo, I take it?
reka ubu emera neza ko wakinnye ibyo wakinnye byarangiye igihe uko byokoze warabikoze hagizwe igihe cyanjye na Elena
As they do in Slovenia.
A fine city.
Country. Naturally.
yabo bajye gukina umukino
May I offer you something?
Double tequila, no salt.
nta kintu cyo guhara taka notekera ari byo yasabye yabo hari uwamutsinze
Perhaps a game of croquet would be less.
reka nizere yuko uku gutsinda utazabyibagirwa ko n'ibindi byakunda watsindwa ati farasi wongere katurore bosi bamukozeho imbwa zirawe bosi ni gute ukora kuri bosi nawe aramwemeza urabibona kugurisha ibyatsi urabibona muvandi
Just resting.
ko kari akaruhuko nari nguhaye buruhuka
I think I like this game.
ndakeka uyu mukino ndawukunda nsezeranya ko nta kintu uri bukore
What makes you think I will lose?
ndatekereza ndakora iki nsinzwe kanizere ko utari bwigaragaze akira noneho aho gisongo akira meza nkwereke aho genda zanyama n'igisongo harimo no kwica we kabahindura systeme shaka kumwica zoro katurore yigwishije
To the victor?
Sinzi ihabwa abagikwiye ntabwo ihabwa abatayikwiye hari ababa barayivukanye
Now keep your promise and go.
wansezeranyije ngo nutsindwa urahita ugenda ngaho ugera umugore nawe hafunguye inkweto y'amakozi biki
Alejandro.
What do you really know about this man?
ese mbwira nicyo ushaka kuri uyu mugabo ndakuze Elena akira yumva inzogera ari ibibazo
We were never meant to be together.
ntabwo njye nawe tuzongera kugumana ahari banza njye nawe tutaremewe kubana.
You don't love him.
ndabizi ko utamukunda
10 years of marriage.
imyaka 10 ishize njye nawe turi marriage ntacyo twapfuye ntabwo ntabwo umukunda hari icyo ushaka ndakuze Elena haturore ko kusere nashaka iki ndacikwa filime iracyajya mbere yarangije aza hano.
De la Cruz is the bartender, works at the saloon across the street. He says he overheard my Gibbons gathering his men to go see Cortez.
Kandi aramubwira ati hari ibibazo byavutse ndetse Zoro arakenewe cyane, Zoro arakenewe kugira ngo agire icyo yakikoraho. Hano kwa padiri aza hano cyabaye kumubwira ngo Zoro arakenewe, yagomba kwambara. Inyuma afata ifarasi ye arerekera. Umwana wa Zoro abari hano.
Your father asked me to pick.
Papa yaransabye ngo wimbwira caho. Kana kazo gafunga umutwe kubi. Nshuti wako. Ngaha hari umudamu. Hari urugo ruri aha ngaha. Ni abahinzi borozi kugira aha ngaha rero. Mbi hari abateye. Hari abateye. Banga amahoro ni nyinshi. Damu! Subira mu nzu. Ate! Taragiye icyo akora itorero cyamukinjiye mu nzu kiramufata.
Cortez!
Cortez! Damu yumva mu rugo umugabo. Yarana umudamu baramufite. Yarakubwiye.
If you please.
Dutwumvikana biragenda neza. Gahaze ikindi cyabaye. Ya.
No, Guillermo, no!
Uy, kamereza. Kamereze.
Please, Señor. This is all we have.
In the Lord.
Spell them for you, and ye shall possess their land.
Salvation, damnation. Got one thing in common. You gotta die at the front. How true.
Drop your guns.
Zoro.
All of you.
Mwese kandi. Yego swabi kuru inkota ku ngoto.
Guillermo, Blanca, get in the house.
Avuga icyo mwinjire mu nzu yanyu. Fata nagatabo kumwe na Blanca yanyu mwerekere mufunge. Fata umwana. Yeah.
You're one blind Mexican. You don't know what you're getting yourself into.
Hora mu mikara wihishe. Ntago ari buguhire nono. Reka nago mpuraho. Naga mubizi. Kukiza amasasa aracika. Zoro. Ntukice we. Ndatuma acika. Mwemuretse abandi tubona ibyo dushaka hano. Ewe. Rumena babuye. Abo si babiri. Ndapfuye. Bajya kwitsimba. Ubona bafitiye. Zoro wakoresha inkota gusa. Dore mwana ari mararira sinzi bakaba kandi barimo bafite intwaro za rumena amabuye barimo barasubisasu biremereye. Ikindi cyabaye umugabo ya gira gupfuma.
I won't. I promise.
Nino tugende ndagusezeranya ntago ndi bugire icyo mbagenda. Kandi atafunga. Ya, suri mu ntambara. Ndamahinguka inyuma hano. Kana kararira. Sasa ni menshi. We mwana ni malaria sinzi. Yaho. Zoro. Funga. Ibyo ni byinshi. Yano. Damagiye. Ya. Yatsi. Dore ngo wahari. Yaje yitonze. fata icyuma cyatuye yewe ndabavayasha urumana yewe kunya ku ruhande agamano hano harashimwe damazamuka no yihuta sinzi birakurikira kwirwanaho bandi bavayo kumbi joro joro wewe muri birenge harashya abandi barimo barinjira joro kamanuka aryo basanganira bakiri hasi katorore kandi umuro watangiye kwakana ikenshi umwana urawe uratangiye kugera ku mwana sinzi cyabaye zoro fata umwana muvana aho ngaho zoro yarindwanye damu nanone ni ibibazo sinzi arakora iki damu nawe hano ari hasi umuro ni mwinshi turareba ni mwinshi barasamagara ifarasi bwo kureba umuriro mwinshi hariya kandi umugore wari Blanca amagara umugore wapi ubu byose byabuze kumbi inyuma ye mushyiraho fata umwana wawe gende yavuye mu muriro farasi batabaye gera hano umugabo oya umugabo cyamurashe sinzi
Guillermo, please talk to me.
Mvugisha seri mvugisha yarababaye shaho yarababaye iki kigabo yakiretse kenshi arubona rucaho urugenda ngo ruriya rubona rurenga yararurebye ararwitegereza nyari wose
trying to tell me
nicyageza kumbwira
choice I make is always the wrong one. I have failed everyone I ever loved, my wife, my son, and other people too.
maze kunanirwa buri wese nananiwe nakunze arimo arapfa mishyuye ageza kumbwira arimo aratunganya imana ye mbwira umugabo arapfuye abuze umugore n'umwana we nawe ntaba afite aba yagiye gutabara aratsinzwe umugabo arapfuye nikigeza kumwereka kumubwira arimo arayibaza
Listen to my heart. And he speaks to me now of a great darkness.
umva basi umutima wanjye ibyo uvuga uvugishe
Guillermo Cortez was only the beginning, and that Elena is in great danger too. So, I beg you.
Elena nawe ari mu byago ndabizi ndagusabye
Courage.
ma imbaraga n'umurava ma courage and strength umurava n'imbaraga ubu ngubu ndabona ntacyo nkimariye n'igishoboreye fasha uravuga ukuri ndakumva noneho ndemera kuyoboye turore aje gusaba mujye gusaba imana n'ibyanga tugaruka hano dore ngo Elena ari byo yandika maze kwandika agapapuro agashyira mu numa arerekura ngo yigendere jya n'ubutumwa dore izo hoteli za kera zabaga ari izo ibintu bizana ubutumwa tuheruka Elena bahora bamufata mugira ngo udufashe bamutegetse iki kabone kugorosa n'umugabo we Dina ijya nijoro muri Armandi muri nyubako
We can post men near the gate in case we have to pull around.
birashoboka neza ko twabwira abasore bakagira icyo bakora kiri kare
No further use.
dore sasa Elena abamukoresha ibyabaye byose Elena hari abari kumukoresha urore abwiriza barazi n'ibyo gukoresha mbere nanaye impamvu akora ibyo akora ntabwo ari ukwanga umugabo we cyangwa se umwana ahubwo afite ibiro bari kumukoresha hanze kumukoma ndondora umugabo wijya hanze.
A word. Please, excuse me a moment.
Sheri wanyihanganira gato nyiri cyubero twari tugukeneye ngo tuvugane. Arasigara kuzenguruka inyubako. Cyo bamubwiye umugabo.
The carving is beautiful.
Nyubako nziza, carving ni nziza cyane. Miryango yaho.
A chapel.
Hari iki? Mu muryango ari iki?
It is a long-standing tradition in my family.
Hari ibintu bya kera bya gakondo by'umuryango wanjye. Nta kibazo tukomeze. Kumbi hari waje. Bose yamukurikira cika. Dinner.
That was absolutely delicious.
Mubyukuri biraryoshye cyane.
And now?
Hanyuma none?
Oh, I'm sorry, Marie. I do not smoke.
Mumbabare ntabwo nyanywa itabi.
Unless it is my pipe, of course.
Let's say your pipe yanjye.
Ah, you remembered. How thoughtful. But I think I should let my stomach settle first.
Hari ngomba kwanza ngareka igifu cyanjye kibanza kigasya ibyo cyari imbere. Elena.
I want to ask you something.
Hari nshaka kukubaza.
Something I should have asked you many years ago.
Ikintu maranye imyaka myinshi.
Before you do, my love.
Mbaza mukundwa.
Answer me one question.
Whatever your heart desires.
Cyacyo umutima wifuza.
Where's the bathroom?
Ubwiriro buri he?
I would like to powder my cheeks.
Ndayitanze umubwire neza ngo usubize byose.
Of course.
Ubwiriro se?
Down the hall.
Hasi hepfo gato ni umanuka. Sigara hano. Manuka hasi. Katuro Elena ate byinshi mugenza. Tekura imisatsi vuba. Aza kuba muryango. Baro kapinika imisatsi. Hari undi winjiye nanone mu nyubako. Zoro kwaza. Akazoro.
Excuse me, sir. Gentleman is here to see you.
Hari umuntu washaka kureba.
He says it's important.
Avuze ko byari ingenzi cyane. Okay. Gentleman washaka kureba, ushaka kumubonana. Ugura umuryango Elena. Jiramo hano. Bahamubuje bavuge ko hari ibintu by'imirage yabo ya kera gakondo gera hano dore bihari. Hano ni umuryango Zoro reba hano mapu za kera.
He's building a track to the vineyard.
Yumva arabaje. Iyi nibe yatugeza kuri Virginia. Simba kurkiye.
I presume you have the deed since you deemed it necessary to interrupt my dinner.
Kumbi najya kuri kintu rwa rugabo rukorana nande n'umugabo Helena. Arabibona Zoro.
Say a fox. Zorro.
I got the name of my
umusenzi uri kunyerekenyira mu hari kutuzonga bita Zoro.
Folk hero. Men like that usually find their way to the guillotine.
Umuntu nkuriye byanga bikunda bagomba kubona ku buryo umuntu amushyiraho ikibazo. Icyaha. Kugira ngo ananirizwe cyangwa se umuntu agashaka intege nkeze. Dore kano kuri Elena nabari ibyo ari gushakisha.
One of my shipping vessels is arriving tomorrow.
Ibintu byanjye bigomba kwimurwa bikagenda, sibyo?
Madiraskov.
Kandi bikagera bigomba kugera muri Moscow.
Be brought here safely.
Nakuba bizahagera amahoro nugira ikibazo.
No mistakes.
Nta kosa nkeneye ko muzakora. Hari bigomba kwimurwa. Abari ibyo abaturage bakabyita ibyabo bakatwara kuba bakabishimuta. Abantu bagambana kandi ari bayoboye abaturage.
Now that we have the deed, will the track be completed on time?
It'll take my boys 2 days to cover the quarter mile.
ntugire ikibazo abahungu banjye bafite iminsi 2 gusa baraba barangije akazi.
Otherwise you get nothing.
Uzabikora neza bitabe byo nta kintu uzigera ugiraho.
Backwards ass frog. You hedge on my money. You won't ever see me.
Utaka amafaranga yanjye cyane kuri. Wait. Amafaranga uruka.
Mr. McGivens.
Jacques avance.
Been in my family for generations.
Ibyo mubwira ni ibijyanye n'umuryango wanjye kandi generation ko zikurikirana urabyumva umwana no muribwe. Umwana mwiza imbere y'abaturage kumbi ni babi.
Understood?
Urabyumva ibyo mubwira. Ndazongera n'undi munsi.
You're a man of 2 days, Mr. McGivens.
Mr. Megan abagabo bafite iminsi 2 gusa. Kuba bankoreye akazi kanjye neza.
I trust you can find your own way out.
Kanizera ko kandi ibintu biri bigende neza bitungana uzaho unsanga. Kumbi.
Received word of successful explosive test.
Twakiriye ijambo ry'uko by'uko test yagenze neza guturika kwakunze. Bizahagera ejo ibyo byanyuma kandi. Obis. Onum. Hano hari amagambo giye yanditse hanga nakiri cyawe mudamu arangije. Photocopy. Waryaga copy mwabonye icyo bita gukopia ibintu nkuru babikopiyaga magambo akayarya copy. Kumbe hano haruje arabyumva. Vuba. Soka. Ya. Elena. John abagabo barikunda ariko aya marido ariko umuyaga nuciye hano. Umudero Elena yitsimbye. Ya. Barangije itafunga. Sinzi gusa kumbe hari undi wumvisha amakuru. Ya nibyo yabonye ni byinshi. Ya Zoro. Umugore dore umugabo. Ya. Baragongana.
For God's sake, wake up and leave me alone.
Elena.
Wanditse njye Elena.
It's not who you think he is.
Ibyo uriya mugabo byari byo ntago ukeka ko ari byo ari byo.
No, I think he is.
Nawe byari ibyo ukeka ko ari byo ntago ari byo ukeka ko ari byo.
No, do not think. Now get before somebody sees you.
Elena, listen.
Elena nyumva neza.
Guillermo Cortez is dead.
Guillermo yapfuye. Wiki?
Man needed his land to be a railroad. He's
planning. Umugabo wamwishe ariko na n'uyu mugabo muri kumwe. Bari gupanga ikintu gikomeye ntago nayimbizi.
No. I won't tell you what I know until you tell me what you know.
Because urambwira ibyo byose kubera ko hagiye kuba ikintu kibi cyane.
Think with an evil count.
Elena.
Elena?
There you are.
Ndakubona aho uri.
Forgive me, Armand.
Mbabare Amanda.
The sudden urge to step out for a puff.
Afashe umwanzuro nyine wo gufataho agapafu nubwo nakomeje kubyanga kandi ubishumva kuri kunda. Ayiwe. Sawa.
My God, you're turning green.
Yewe. Ndabona utagiye guhinduka. Ntabwo bimenyereye.
Presence.
Nubwa mbere nyine ndikumwereye imbere. Kumbi dore yitsimbye.
Because
Solo.
A little something for you.
Hari cyo mfitiye igiso cyakwereka.
To Marie. Spanish offering. For when a man asks a woman for her hand in marriage.
Hari umugabo uzaza tukamubwira ko akaba yadupropose akayadukorera ntuzayigaragaza mariage yacu. Akira.
Let me do this properly on one knee so I can look up into your eyes.
Oh no, don't look up.
Hari wenda ese nta kibazo aramusoma. Kumusoma hano hari wabyare ibyo muri kumwe tanga ntago ari iyo mugabo udakwica. Yeah.
Is that a yes?
It's a definite maybe.
I know it's
ndabizi neza.
Just been through, but
ari byinshi kuri njyewe.
I want to give you everything.
Ndashaka kuguha buri kimwe cyose.
And couldn't.
Higeze ngerage umpa uwo ari we wese.
So now. But whatever you decide,
ariko buri kimwe cyose uzashaka
Necklace is yours.
cyose wakina cyose ni icyawe, ni necklace ni yawe.
But I have to go.
Ugomba kugenda rero.
Walking to bed.
Nkajya kuryama.
Of course.
Cyane rwose jya kuryama.
Children require attention.
See.
So. Yeah. Gabo. Hari uwamanutse.
Perils.
Nabyishyura sha. Farasi hariya. Kamanuka kwifarasi ye. Farasi ya motsi ryata ya ngone tabi yari poreje. Izana hano.
Vamos, vamos, rápido, niños.
Yeah.
Acérquense, rápido. Silencio, por favor.
State ya California aho bayibukira.
Welcome.
Memorial.
To Bear Point.
Abaharwaniye bacize.
Desolate spot.
Abaruyigisha amateka.
Raised for the first time. Tomorrow, our governor will be hosting a celebration here to honor California statehood.
Ejo gavana azazanga yaratumiwe ndetse hazabiro bihambaye ndetse byo guserebura iby'ubwigenge bwacu. N'abana mugomba kwitonda.
Take out your notebooks.
Neza afite ibitabo bye bakiraho. Arabaje. Farastayari. Kana karakizi iki kigabo. Abazoro iki kigabo barakizi. Yeah.
Scorch of a day, ain't it, kids?
Yego umunsi mwiza wowe n'abana bato. Kimucira amazi.
Is there something I can help you with, senor?
Hari cyo nagufasha wa mugabo we.
Me interrupt the lesson, Father.
Padi nta kintu wamfasha.
Lord's work.
Mu nzira akazi kacu.
Mount up, boys.
Sore twikomereze. Ariko barimo barasuzuma. Kuko bafite gahunda. Bagomba kubanza bakiga theory. Ibyo bagomba gukora. Turori. Yeah, turori. Padiri garana n'abana n'amavumbi. Kumbe dore wa mwana wa Zoro. Najya ava kwizima. Kaze munsi y'igare ryabo. Baritsa bakajya kwitsimbaza mu kana umusozi. Rori. Oro byaje. Simba hano gato. Babagabo. Yewe. Hejuru yabo.
Let's get to work, boys.
Basore katujye mu kazi sha. Yeah. Suravayo. Ndagutya bira mu mabuye. Mabuye yaramanuka katorore. No hari iki. Akaritsimba kugira gutya rero. Wa cyana we. Kunya ku ruhande mwana muto cyane. Yewe gawe.
What are you doing here, kid?
Ramari cyane wakana.
Two of the ugliest guys I've ever seen.
Bamusenze. Nagaruka mbe mbabonye. Utari kubuza akarika nkabike. Ati binda batera biba bikomeye. Bigeri. Indira chika. Mwana wa Zoro.
Come on, you want a piece of me?
Ngiye urashaka urankumbisha kumbona. Mwana yiyumva. Bose uramutega. Cyumugozi mwana aragiye. watabaye Zoro. Yaba yaraje hano arareba Zoro arabizi nta wundi muntu uzazi Shinya Zoro subirayo Orbis Unam Orbis Unam iryo jambo nawe yavuze iri jambo bwa mbere ryumvisha ejo barivuga cyaba yafashe akana kavana hariya
I can't believe it's you.
ntabwo nabyizera ko ari wowe
And that's another, right? I mean, whoa.
mbega ifarasi ndavuga ni agatangaza nayo.
Ow. It's just a scratch.
ako ni agakomere gato ntacyo kavuze ubwo umwana ufite umutima ukomeye.
So you're gonna say something or what?
Hablemos en español, la lengua de nuestros padres.
Mi mamá no me lo va a creer.
No. No, sería mejor que no le dijera
avuga ikirimi cy'iwabo ati nta kindi kirimaze.
¿Por qué no?
Yo hago las preguntas. ¿Por qué no estás en la escuela?
El tipo que tiene la cicatriz en su cara, yo sabía que te...
ntazabuka mureba.
Ah, pero tú hiciste...
reba imbere windeba utamenya.
Cuidado con lo que dices.
reba imbere wireba hano.
Esos tipos son unos asesinos. Lo que llevaban...
barana abicanyi ntukabajyemo bakwica.
Yo no sé de qué se trata porque estaba demasiado...
Yo kumva nibyo.
Puro.
Ikirimi n'ababeshya ntacyo nzi.
You mean this?
uravuga ibi? umwana
¿Jabón?
¿Qué?
¿Esto es todo lo que había?
Lots of it.
reba imbere.
Would I lie to you?
En español, muchacho, en español. Esto no es un juego. Tu padre le habría dado un ataque al corazón si supiera lo que ha pasado hoy aquí.
No, no es cierto. Yo no le importo. Ayer se olvidó de mí como siempre.
Mwana afite umutima nk'uwase.
No creo que se olvidará.
Aribyara.
Lo que tienes que entender es que